optimismstrategy.com.
Hello, this is Daniel Grady with a quick look at the markets for today, Wednesday, February 12th. At 10 o'clock GMT, we have industrial production coming out from the Eurozone. Then at 10:30, we have an inflation report by the Bank of England. It doesn't show up here on the list, but at 3:30 in the afternoon, we have a speech by ECB President Mario Draghi, which could inject some volatility into the euro. And then at 7 o'clock, we have a monthly budget report from the United States, but that's not expected to generate all that much volatility. Moving over to the markets, the S&P 500 yesterday rose by over 1%. It broke above 1,800, which is an important psychological level. This is the best performance it's had during 4 days in over a year. The optimism continued during the Asian session when we had a better than expected trade report from China, which is a kind of counterpoint to some of the more disappointing data that we've had over the last couple of weeks. Asian stocks were up across the board. And at the beginning of the session now, S&P 500 futures are trading pretty much unchanged since this closed yesterday. After a strong move like this, we could expect some form of correction in the near term, and the more the market moves on the upside, the more likely it is that we're going to have some form of correction. Moving over to the euro, as expected, came off the top of this downwards channel that it's been maintaining since the beginning of December. It's trading below resistance at 136.30, and then we have 135.80 as our next support level. The pound is between a range of 164.20 as support and 164.80 as resistance. However, with the inflation data expected to come later, we could see stronger moves here in the euro break below or above the support and resistance level respectively. On the next levels are 163.20 as a secondary support, and at 166 as our secondary resistance. The yen has also tracked above 102.30, which is support, and then we have resistance at 103.30. And finally, we have gold, which had a strong performance yesterday, and it came up to almost it tried to get above our next level of resistance, which is at 1,290, and it closed just a hair below that, and we might see another run at this level. And if it were to break through, our next level of resistance is at 1,315. If not, we could see it coming back to 1,272, which is our support level. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.